Hey, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Manual Focus. And you see me right here, open that pellet grill, you know I mean business. So today we're gonna be making some smoked turkey wings with some Alabama white sauce. You see that sauce right there. Delicious recipe. Yeah, it looks good. So first things first, man, get your turkey wings. You want to get those bad boys rinsed off, then get your paper towel, and then you just want to make sure that you're getting all that excess moisture off of those turkey wings, because when you put it either on your grill, pellet grill, smoker, you want to make sure that first bite is nice and crispy. So, you know, getting all that excess moisture out would do the trick. Hey, we got show and tell today. So that sweet pepper seasoning, you know, that's from the Smoke Society. That's a new seasoning that I'm using here. And you want to make sure that you're seasoning your turkey wings, you know, really good. And then get in there, man, get dirty, and then just make sure all your wings are coated with that seasoning. So try that seasoning out. You know, I'm not getting paid for it. Yeah, I just like the blend of spices that they use in these seasonings. So yeah, you can pick this up at your local Walmart. It's the Sweet Pepper by Smoke Society.
So we had to wait for our grill to get up to temp, so we're gonna go ahead and put these bad boys in there.
So I'm gonna be using some indirect heat here. So with the Lexington pellet grill, you know, that heat source is right in the middle. So I'm putting those turkey wings on the, you know, the side of that heat source, so it's not getting direct heat, getting a little bit of indirect heat, and then it's gonna infuse all that smoke flavor.
So the turkey legs been in there for a little minute, you know, about an hour smoking. So we're gonna flip these bad boys over.
And as we flip these turkey wings over, I know you see on that left side what's in that pan. Yeah, we doing some smoked mac and cheese. So hey, go and check out that video.
Alright, let's let these finish cooking. Alright, we about to make some Alabama white sauce. Alright, so first up, we got a cup of mayo. Then we got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Right? So we got a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Then we got a tablespoon of spicy brown mustard, a teaspoon of horseradish sauce. Alright, so we're gonna go with the 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, and then, you know, a fresh lemon squeeze, so about a teaspoon or so of lemon juice that you would need. And then from there we just get to mixing. Alright, these turkey wings are ready to go.
Alright, you see those turkey wings coming off that grill, and this is the reason why you want to make sure all excess water is off of those turkey wings, because you want to get that exterior crust of that skin. You want to make sure that it, you know, is crispy. So when you put that Alabama sauce on there, and then you take that first bite, you got that Alabama sauce, you got that smoke flavor, and then you got that crispy skin. It just makes for a nice flavor explosion. Alright, as you watch me put that absolutely delicious Alabama white sauce over these turkey wings, if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. If you've been riding with me for a while, hey man, hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment so I can hit you right back up, man. I appreciate your support. And as I would say, hey man, it ain't about the glitz and the glam. It's about making that delicious food here on this channel. So share this channel with your family and friends, and let them know it's a channel out here just making some absolutely delicious food. All right, so there you have it. You got the smoked turkey wings with that Alabama white sauce. Look at that right there. Yes, sir, in the game. Smoked turkey wings with that Alabama white sauce, and we about to get this thing a taste, right? Listen, just a bite into that was delicious. Look at that tender,
And then with the Alabama white sauce, man, let me get another bite of this. Man, that's good. That's some good stuff right there. Hey, if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button. And you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to smash into these smoked wings, man. We'll see you guys later. Peace.